Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Amazon Seller Central for new listings step by step clearly. To activate Amazon Seller Central for new listings, start by visiting the Amazon Seller Central homepage. Log in using your registered email and password associated with your seller account. Once logged in, navigate to the Inventory tab located in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Add a Product. On the Add a Product page, you'll have two options: I want to create a new product listing or I want to sell a product that is already on Amazon. Choose the option that if creating a new listing, select the appropriate category for your product. After selecting the category, you'll proceed to fill in the necessary product information. Enter your product name in the product name field. Complete the brand name and manufacturer fields if applicable. Next, fill in the product ID section with the UPC, EAN, or ISBN relevant to your item. Choose the correct condition of your product from the options provided. In the description section, write a detailed product description highlighting key features and benefits. Add bullet points to emphasize important features, making them easy for customers to read. Upload high-quality images of your product, ensuring they meet Amazon's image guidelines. Set your pricing in the offer section, ensuring it's competitive. Select your shipping options, choosing between Amazon fulfillment or individual seller shipment methods. Decide on inventory quantity and input the number of items you have available for sale. Review all entered information for accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Save and Finish button to create your listing. You will receive a confirmation that your product is now live on Amazon. Monitor your listing's performance from your Seller Central dashboard. Adjust your product details or pricing as necessary based on customer feedback or sales performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.